let's not play in there.
Is Anton up here too?
Yeah. Videotaping though. Don't take it personally. Stop. You're fine. It's just Jackie. Can you find the red shirt in Farmer's closet? Elias, where's the red shirt? Elias, it's okay. She's gone. Stop. Can you find the red shirt? Elias, stop. Anton, where's the red shirt? Where's the red one? Elias, where's the red shirt? Can you find a red one? Elias, where's red? Yeah, good job. Anton, that's red. Can you say red?
Oh,
red. Yeah. Elias, can you find a green shirt?
Oh.
No, that's red. Where's green? Elias, look behind you. Look behind you, Elias. Green. Elias, look. Green.
Oh, it's Papa.
That's Farfar's.
Oh, Papa.
Farfar's.
Oh, Barbie. Oh, what's that?
Elias, it's okay. He's just playing with you. Okay,